Right, so this is the Shark Steam and Scrub Mop. It's pretty simple to use. You just fill the tank with water, plug it in, and it's ready to go in about 30 seconds. No need for any cleaning solutions, which is nice, although I do use steam detergent because I like the smell of it. It's fairly lightweight, maybe about 6 or 7 pounds, so it's easy to move around. And easy to move around is actually an understatement because this thing has power steering on it. I kid you not. The first time I used it, it felt like going from an old non-power steering car to like a Tesla or something. Once it's turned on, it just goes off on its own. You just have to rotate it slightly. Even my 6-year-old could and does use this thing. Now, the two rotating microfiber pads at the bottom do a good job on everyday dirt and small spills. There are two steam settings. I use the light one for quick cleanups and the normal one for deeper cleaning. So for regular maintenance, it does work well on all different types of flooring, so hardwood, marble, tile floors. It's not great on really tough set-in stains, but it handles day-to-day stuff fine, and you get a noticeably deeper clean because the steam sanitizes the floor. The cord is about 18 feet long, which is usually enough for most rooms, but I do wish it was a bit longer as I have to plug it in and out. Something like a retractable cord, that would be cool, but then it would probably make it weigh much more. The water tank isn't huge, so I usually need to refill it a couple of times if I'm doing the whole downstairs. Not much of a problem. Again, if it could hold more in capacity, then it wouldn't be as lightweight as it is. It's pretty quiet when it's running, about as loud as normal room sounds or conversation. The microfiber pads are washable, so you can take them off, throw them in the washing machine or hand wash them, which is convenient, but I definitely recommend buying a few extra sets so you always have some good to go. And I haven't seen much difference in the quality of the generic ones in comparison to the branded ones. Overall, this has definitely made floor cleaning easier for me. The price, I think it's reasonable for what it does, especially if you've bought some of the cheaper ones before and they've burnt out on you, which has happened to me. So as a brand, I like and I trust Shark products, and it's actually the same company as Ninja, which I only realized the other day, and I have a bunch of Ninja stuff in the kitchen. So again, like, trust, and now very much enjoy steaming the floor.